Well, the largest IPO in Indian markets, Paytm, the IPO started off, subscription started off yesterday. Today was day 2, and we'll quickly help you go through the numbers. But before that, just to explain the broader metrics of how the numbers are shaping up. So 18,300 crores to be raised in the largest IPO in India, out of which around 8,200 odd crores has already been raised through anchor investors. Mind you, this is the largest ever anchor round, and the anchor book was oversubscribed almost 10 times, with Paytm's top 8 anchor investors investing more than any fund has ever invested in an Indian IPO anchor round. 21 investors had bids greater than 100 crores each, and Paytm has already secured 45% of its total IPO issue price even prior to yesterday. So those numbers were quite telling in themselves. However, when you look at the names of the investors in the anchor book, you look at 122 investors from sovereign wealth funds like GIC, CPPIB, ADIA, to the BlackRock, the Alchem Capital, as well as foreign funds from Vanguard, Fidelity, UBS and the like. So a really strong lineup of anchor investors, elite anchor investors as I may call it. And then when you step back and look at how the IPO subscription or interest in Indian public markets is looking like, and let me quickly try and take you through the numbers there. It's currently at the end of day 2 around a little less than half times subscribed by investors. So the qualified institutional buyer component is again 0.46 times the allocated amount. The retail individual investors have shown really good interest, as has been the case in all of the recent IPOs, at 1.23 times. And the non-institutional investors component is 0.05 times. So still some catching up to do there for the NIIs. And obviously there is day 3 for that. Overall, as I did mention, it's 0.48 times subscribed. Mind you, 8,200 crores already raised, 10,000 odd crores to be raised from these investors, and Paytm seems well on its way to do that. Of course, we have day 3 and we will keep you updated as to how day 3 shapes up for Paytm and this IPO, a historic IPO for